Hi, sorry I've not uploaded for a while. It's been like 10 days, but I've been away. I've been to Peppa Pig Land, which was surprisingly good, better than I thought it was going to be.
There's just been a power cut. There's people stuck up the top there, and there's people stuck over here.
Don't open it out.
It looks like a dinosaur.
I know.
I'm having 2 weeks off from pressure washing at the moment. I'm about halfway through. I've not actually had 2 weeks off work. I've still been working in the garden and stuff. It's been, I'll put some pictures on the screen now, but I've been doing some decking, some fencing. I've never put a fence up and I've never laid any decking down, so it's a first. It's turned out pretty well. I'm quite happy with it. I'm getting a bit concerned about winter. I've been thinking about what my plan is going to be for the business over winter. I can't imagine many people are going to be thinking about getting their driveways cleaned. I know last year work dried up quite a lot, although I wasn't depending on it last year. I was still with my old job. This year it's a bit more pressure because if I get no calls and I get no work, then I can't pay my bills. So it's a little bit different. I'm wondering what you guys are doing for work over the winter. I'm guessing most of my target audience is other people that are into pressure washing and they've got their own business or they're thinking of starting their own business. I just wanted to know your ideas because I'm not panicking yet, but I'm starting to definitely think about it. The quotes are drying up. A couple of weeks ago I had a day where I did like 4 quotes in one day, which was, for little old me, that was quite good. But I haven't literally had a message for over a week to do a quote, which is a little bit concerning. Sorry about that, next door's dog just sounded like it was being mauled. I forgot what I was saying. So with regards to winter, like I've had a few ideas where I can use my current equipment. Things like window cleaning and car washing. Like I've already got a water tank in the back of my van, I've got the pressure washer, I've got buckets and stuff. I could explore washing people's cars, although I think it's not something that can be jumped into lightly. Like it's another whole body of research that I'm gonna have to do to make sure I'm using the right techniques and the right equipment and stuff. It's probably gonna be an investment for more equipment as well. So I wanna make sure whatever it is that I go into over the winter, like do people get their cars washed in the winter? I'm not that sort of person that washes their car regularly. Like now that I've got the van, I think I'm getting that cleaned a lot more often than I would because the customers are going to see it, but my old cars, I could go 6 months without washing them. So I don't know what other people tend to do. Window cleaning, like do people get their windows cleaned over the winter time? I just have no idea. I don't have a window cleaner, so I don't know. But yeah, I want to make sure whatever it is, it's driving me towards my goal rather than being a distraction that's going to take me further away. So it's definitely something I'm not going to jump into making any rash decisions with the direction of the business. I can imagine there's a lot of people that are probably watching this that have got bigger, more established businesses that have work all the way throughout the year. Like they've got such a reliable customer base, or they've got a calendar that's booked up for so long that they probably don't see quiet spells like new businesses do over the winter. I saw a post the other day about a chap that he does roofs, he cleans roofs, and he's got work all year round. He doesn't stop. I don't have any roof cleaning equipment. I've not done a roof before, but that'll be probably something I'll explore next year. Although again, that's like another whole new level of knowledge and research that you're gonna have to do to take your skills to the next level, sort of thing. So the purpose of this video really is to ask you guys what your plan is, or if you've got more experience than I have, what do you normally do throughout the winter? I've not got to the point where I've gone so hard over the summer and sort of earn loads of money over the summer where I can just sort of put my feet up and relax over the winter. Like, I'm not in that position now, so I'm still going to have to earn over the winter. Maybe that'll change next year when I've been doing it for a bit longer and I've got more customers. I don't know. So if you could post down in the comments things that I maybe haven't thought of, that'd be really useful. I'd like to know mainly from people who have got experience trying other things and whether it's worked out or not. Or do I just go like hard on do I put 100% into advertising now? Because I haven't really had to advertise all summer. My work has been mainly through word of mouth and people seeing my page on Facebook. Do I print a load of leaflets? Do some sponsored posts on Facebook? I don't know what the plan is. In other news, my pressure washer has sprung a leak. It looks like the pump's leaking oil, which is annoying, especially after I had to replace the spring in the unloader a couple of weeks back. Starting to see issues with it, which is a bit frustrating. It's a bit unnerving when you've got these big jobs coming up, because I've got a lot of work coming up, and it's a bit unnerving when you see stuff like that, because this is like the heart of my business. If my machine fails, then work is going to back up until I can get a new one. Don't really fancy paying another $1.5 grand, $2 grand for a new pressure washer, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, slightly different video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you already haven't, because that really helps. And mainly comment, because I want to know what you guys are up to. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.